Me? No, spirit birds. Oh, not me, okay. Now we have to go find the cave. Probably over there at the cave. The D is there. You're right, but it's in the desert. What? The cave is in the desert? Yeah. There's 3 caves. One can lead to light, dark, and nature. One can lead to the raccoons. And one can lead just to our cave. Okay? Now we have to be smart and pick the right one. Okay. I'll lead you to the desert. I know where that is. Wait! Wait! Whoa! The 3 caves! Whoa! The last one looks a bit funny. I know, but